What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can install Kali NetHunter and Kali Linux full desktop on any Android device without rooting the device or installing the TWRP custom recovery. And they call this version Kali NetHunter rootless. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can install the Kali NetHunter rootless on any Android device without rooting, and also I'll show you all the step-by-step guide to install it on your Android device. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Okay guys, so here is my Android phone. I am going to install Kali Linux on my Redmi Note 7 Pro, but you can use any of your phone. First of all, open up Google Chrome. Then go to this link, store.nethunter.com. This is the official website of NetHunter App Store. Download the NetHunter App Store from here. Now install the app. If you get any pop-up, just go through it and enable install app from unknown source. Then install it again. Now open up NetHunter App Store. Here you will find all the NetHunter apps. From here you need to download 3 apps. Number 1 is Cakes VNC. Install this app on your phone. On this pop-up, accept the install app from unknown source. Then go back to store and install Termux app on your phone. Now again go back to store and from here install Hackers Keyboard. That's all the 3 apps you need to run Kali NetHunter or Kali Linux desktop on your Android phone. Now open up Termux app on your phone. Then here you need to update and upgrade Termux packages. Type pkj update and hit enter. Now packages will be updated. Clear your terminal. Then type pkj upgrade. Now all the packages will be upgraded. Clear your terminal. Now you need to give storage permission to Termux app. Type this command, Termux setup storage, and a pop-up will come. And here you need to tap on allow to give permission. Now you need to install wget package on Termux. Type this command to install it, pkj install wget, and it will be installed on your Termux app. Now here you need to download NetHunter installer script using this command. You will find all of this command in description below. When the download is completed, type ls. And here you will see the NetHunter installer script. We need to give it execution permission. Type this command chmod +x and the script name. And hit enter. Now again type ls. And here you will see the script color is changed. That means it's ready to execute. Now just simply execute the script like this. And it will start downloading Kali Linux files and installing on your phone. You don't need to do anything during the installation process. It will take some time. Just wait until it gets completed. It will take some time. When the installation will finished, you will get this type of ASCII art in terminal. That means Kali NetHunter is installed on your Android successfully. Now you can take use of Kali NetHunter via this terminal. You can install any Kali NetHunter app or Kali Linux app via this terminal. Also you can update and upgrade from here. Whenever you open Termux app, just simply type on terminal NetHunter and your NetHunter terminal will run on Termux app. Now let me show you how to use it on desktop mode or graphical user interface mode. First, you need to configure Kex VNC server. Type on your terminal Kex and hit enter. And it will ask you to set a password for VNC server. Type here any password more than 6 characters. Now our VNC server is ready to use. And here you will see the port number, display number of Kali Desktop VNC server. Now open up Kex application. Here we need to change the port number to 5901. Then type here the password of VNC server and hit connect. And your Kali Linux desktop will be ready to use. Now you can take use of Kali Linux desktop on your phone. If you have a high config device, then you can install full Kali Linux tools on your mobile phone. You can use the Kali Linux by your touch, or also you can use a mini touchpad keyboard like me to take easy use of it. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with a friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.